Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to set your bio on Bigo Live or to change it if you already have one. Personally, I don't, so that's why I'm going to show you how to. So as you can see right now, I'm on my Bigo Live profile. You can get here by going down. You can see about 5 icons at the bottom of the screen: home, explore, a little camera icon, community, and me. So we're gonna click on the one on the bottom right corner that says me, and that will take you here where I am right now. So at the top of the screen, you can see my profile picture and my name. So we're gonna click on my profile picture, and this will take us here. So from here, you have on the top right corner, you have 2 icons. So we're gonna click the one that is on the right, and that will bring us here. You have a lot of options here, but right now we're interested in our bio. So you have name, gender, birthday, hometown, languages, emojis, Bigo ID, and bio. So we're gonna click on bio, and it brings us here. So a good bio makes you stand out, and you can write anything you want. Me personally, I will write hi guys, and that's about it. After that, at the top right corner, you have a save option, and that will save all the changes you've made. So we're gonna click that, and as you can see, there's my bio. Hi guys, it's there, it's saved, and it's done. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.